In this video, 4 different propellers are mounted on a truss stand, including my custom propeller that I want to compare to propellers currently on the market. Before you can see the test results. The custom propeller is handmade from epoxy and glass fiber. There are some flaws, and the blades are thicker than propellers on the market. This will negatively skew the power draw and the decibels. Please keep in mind that this is the first prototype, and its main goal is to be a proof of principle for a better sound profile. In a production model, the blade thickness can be reduced. This will decrease the power draw. When the decibels are divided by the power draw, we can compare how much dB each propeller produces if they had the same power draw. As you can see, the custom propeller produces the least amount of decibels per unit of power. Now we'll follow 3 different truss scenarios: a variable 100 to 300 gram test, a 100 gram test, and a 200 gram test. Especially in the variable test, the sound profile of the custom propeller is noticeable. It is lower in pitch and the typical high-pitch whining noise is absent.